Hi guys, once again it's your girl Becky Trends. I'm back today with another makeup tutorial. It's about how to make ombre lips. Yo, how to make ombre lips. Just watch. Thank you. Alright, I have three shades here. I have the dark purple, I have the light purple, and then I have the one like a beige or nude. So I'm gonna combine these three shades together. Just watch. Alright, now I have the one dark maroon, L'Oreal, I have Maybelline Super Stay Red, and then I have the one plum red. Yeah, just watch. I'm gonna combine these three shades again. With this one, I felt so nervous. I was like, hey, damn, these shades are really weird, you know? But let's try and see.